North America is divided into four parts: Greenland, Canada, United States of America, and Mexico. Greenland is located at the top of the map. Underneath Greenland is where Canada is located. Below Canada is the United States of America. At the very bottom is Mexico. Northern America, extending to within 10 degrees of latitude of both the equator and the North Pole, embraces every climatic zone, from tropical rainforests and savanna on the lowlands of Central America to areas of the permanent ice cap in central Greenland. Subarctic and tundra climates prevail in northern Canada and northern Alaska, and desert and semi-arid conditions are found in the interior regions cut off by high mountains from rain-bearing westerly winds. However, a high portion of the continent has temperature climates very favorable to settlement and agriculture. The climate of North America can be broadly divided into 8 different climate types. The deciduous forest has 4 distinct seasons with warm summers and cold, wet winters. The trees shed their leaves in the autumn. Coniferous forest is cold and dry with snowy winters and warmer summers. Mediterranean has warm to high temperatures with rainfall in the autumn and winter months. Grassland has hot summers and cold winters with above average rainfall. Tundra. This area is characterized by a layer of permafrost, soil that has remained below freezing for at least 2 years. Its winters are very cold, summers are warm, and there's little rainfall. Alpine is cold, windy, and snowy. It is winter from October to May with temperatures below freezing, while summer is from June to September, where temperatures can reach 15 degrees Celsius. Rainforest has high temperatures and high rainfall throughout the year. Desert has warm to high temperatures with very little rainfall.
The 2 major bodies of water are the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The Gulf of Mexico provided the French and Spanish to explore and is located at the southeastern of the United States. The 5 Great Lakes are Lake Huron, Lake Superior, Lake Erie, Lake Ontario, and Lake Michigan. The Ohio River is the gateway to the west. The Missouri River is in Central America. It is the longest river in North America. The Mississippi River is a transportation for farm and industrial products. They were linked to ports and other parts of the world.
The Rio Grande River, located in southwestern part of the United States, forms the border of Mexico and Texas. The Ohio River was primarily used as a transportation route for the westward expansion in the 1800s. The river was also used to bring goods from the west to the east.
The Mississippi promoted southern expansion after the Louisiana Purchase. It was the means of transportation to the south before railroads and roads were built. The Mississippi River was also critical to the Civil War in the mid-1800s. The Union used it to attack the Confederates and kept control of the river during the time. The Rio Grande River allowed goods to be brought into the southern states by having smaller vessels bringing supplies from bigger cargo ships. The river was also crucial to the Mexican War in 1846. It was a means of transportation for the U.S. Army. America eventually won the war. In the 1800s, the Great Lakes allowed for trade from the northern states to other countries. The ships were able to head into the Atlantic Ocean from the lakes. Today, many industries reside around the lakes because of its access to waterways. It allows for shipments to be easily brought in and out of the ports.